Jamaica, yo, yeah, you see, this COVID thing is a strange piece of thing. Not so strange, but you can't really say much about certain things nowadays. Cause guess what? These people want censor, lockdown. Now, recently, I preview an article where this Jewish, and you have to understand who certain Jews are, these Zionist Jews. Now, this woman say, here what, with a bribe, no, before forget the vaccination. So now, I threaten we are going to threaten no. So guess what? Them are prepare to get more rigider with for them ruling pan COVID-19 and who fi get vaccine. Now, when me pre this, couple days after Andrew Holness I come out and come say the people them, the teachers them who don't take the COVID-19 vaccine, them are gonna get treated differently from the one them who take the vaccine. Then after that my brethren come out to say, yo, the teachers them who don't take the vaccine, them payment for them compensation will be lower than those who take the vaccine. So basically it's a threat this. And yeah, a threat with evil actions behind it, because them are doing the same job, but because certain people just don't want to step over for no sideline or no want to punish them. It would be like when them a punish the pitney them back then. They say, yo, if them don't get the JUTC smart card, them have to go pay $100 on the bus as opposed to paying $20 if them get the smart card. What them actually is doing was preparing the kids them to actually step into the digital system, which the power back right now. Now, what is so great about this vaccine or forcing the people to get the vaccine? Because all over the world, there is this force, this energy where basically a push the jab. Now, for instance, you have this brother on CNN, Dan Lemon. Him say, if the people them don't take the vaccine, them food income benefits forget scrap. It forget dismantled. Then you have this brother named Piers Morgan. Come and say, they were unvaccinated. If them supposed to, they must be denied medical treatment and they must be left to die. Then you have this next portion where them state that all those who were given placebos, mainly all of the government officials them and the celebrities them want to say I take it. Yeah, all those who were given placebos, and now a placebo is basically like water. It inactive. It don't have much benefit. It don't do nothing. So if there was a virus for it to protect against, yeah, it don't protect against anything. It blank basically people. Now they are saying that all those who are injected with the placebo, they are considered fully vaccinated. Now think about these people. You get an injection for COVID-19 and somebody else get an injection where have water in there against the same COVID-19. How that makes sense for the one who get injected with the water be fully vaccinated and the one who get injected with the COVID vaccine, yeah, as them say, them vaccinated. The reality of it is, people, something is never right. Because nothing can go so. That is total bull. Now, when you hear say a variant where elude the vaccine exists, and you as a leader for your country I go open up about the country to the area where them say this has spread. People, one thing, because this is what Andrew Holness do. When you realize they open up the country, I never really say much about what is going on, where the people them are going to do. Them understand, say, yeah, most people don't have no sense, so them are going to run go like is New Year's, so them are going to celebrate. So this is what happened. So the virus start rise again, and then them start lockdown again. So the more you behave stupid, then more them are going to imprison. No. Jamaica, yo, things just don't right.